Worksite Labs assembled its first portable laboratory to help improve rapid testing for the coronavirus. CEO Gary Frazier.
You have the busiest jail in the United States, which is LA County, and they had this problem that everybody else had, is they needed to know within hours, not days, if someone was COVID positive or negative. And the only way to do it was for us to actually put put a laboratory inside of the parking lot of the jail.
From that first diagnostic kit in a shipping container, Worksite Labs has delivered portable laboratories to more than 20 locations across the United States, focusing on underserved communities. Partnering with a company that customizes shipping containers for healthcare, Worksite Labs is shipping 3 portable units to Ukraine to help with the country's humanitarian crisis. Chief Financial Officer Craig Beam says the laboratory container and 2 clinic containers have all been converted to European Union standards for electricity and plumbing.
Although we're founded around COVID testing, this equipment can be used for most normal testing. So a lot of it is blood testing. So you look at what people's blood values are, or it can also be used to see what kind of infection they may have. UTIs or other infections. So the equipment will be able to be used for more generic diagnostic.
In Ukraine, an Irish charity, the Gorta group, will make sure the mobile units are delivered where they are needed the most to help with medical testing, trauma response and maternity care. The Gorta Group CEO, Ray Jordan.
We're going to be using them in the west of the country, primarily for the massive increase of the population that has moved from the east to the west. And then probably more importantly, and obviously it's huge regret, the amount of destruction that has taken place on health facilities inside in the country, and that these really essential health facilities, we will literally be able to bring them across the border, drop them into places, and that people will have effectively, world-class facilities in places where regrettably some of their existing facilities have been completely destroyed.
With those units on the way, Worksite Labs is already planning to send more mobile clinics to Ukraine, where the World Health Organization says healthcare facilities are stretched to the breaking point. Genia Dulot for VOA News, Los Angeles.